Hey guys, Matt from DSR here. Today I've got the Honda CMX1100. I'm going to show you how to remove the seat on this 2023 model. Really simple, really easy. Took me a few seconds to work out how to do it. So on this bike we have got a side mounted ignition barrel. So key is in the ignition on the side there. First thing you're going to need to do is going to push the key in and then turn it half to the right, and you're going to hear a little click under the seat. From there the seat just lifts off. Look at all the storage under there. I can fit a whole hand and more. Plenty of space for any toolkits, even enough space to put your phone and then a charging point as well. And I believe it's weather sealed as well. It looks pretty good in there, so hopefully no issues of any water ingress. Putting the seat back on, place it on. There's two little lips at the back, make sure they're in, and then give it a firm push down. And there you go guys, that is it, simple as that. Push the key in, twist it, seat lifts off. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like it, subscribe to the channel, because I will be doing my full ride review on the 2023 CMX1100. Until the next one, ride safe.